How to fix the Snapchat device ban SS06 error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get back into Snapchat after hitting a device ban. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Apps and search for Snapchat. Tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data. At this point, go back and tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, go back to Android Settings and tap on General Management. From there, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Tap on Reset Settings to confirm. In the next step, once your network settings are reset, go back to Android Settings and tap on Connections. Turn off Wi-Fi and make sure you are on mobile data. Then reopen Snapchat and try logging in. Following this, if the SS06 error is still showing up, uninstall Snapchat. Press and hold the Snapchat icon and tap Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall and wait for it to complete. Once done, open the Play Store and reinstall Snapchat. After reinstalling, open Snapchat and try logging in with your account. At this stage, if the device ban error is still appearing, try logging in with a different Snapchat account to check if the ban is tied to your account or your device. From here, if a different account works, the ban may be on your original account, and you may need to contact Snapchat support directly. Keep in mind, a device ban means Snapchat has flagged your device, usually due to using third-party Snapchat apps or violating their terms of service. Make sure you are only using the official Snapchat app going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.